सर्गः। ततस्तस्य गिरिशृङ्गे महेन्द्रस्य महाबलः हनुमत्प्रमुखा प्रीतिं हरयो जग्मुरुत्तमम्। प्रीतिमत्सुपविष्टेषु वानरेषु महात्मसु तं तदप्रति संहृष्टः प्रीतियुक्तं महाकविं जाम्बवान् कार्यवृत्तान्तम् अपृच्छत् अनिलात्मजं कथं दृष्टा त्वया देवी कथं वा तत्र वर्तते तस्यां चापि कथं वृत्तः क्रूरकर्मा दशाननः तत्त्वदः सर्वमेतन्नः प्रब्रूहि त्वं महाकवे सम्मार्गिता कथं देवी किं च सा प्रत्यभाषद श्रुतार्ता चिन्तयिष्यामो भूयः कार्यविनिश्चयम् यश्चार्थस्तत्र वक्तव्यो गतैरस्माभिरात्मवान् रक्षितव्यं च यस्तत्र तद्भवान् व्याकरोतु नः स नियुक्तस्तदस्तेन सम्प्रहृष्टतनूरुहः नमस्यन् शिरसा देव्यै सीतायै प्रत्यभाषद प्रत्यक्षमेव भवता महेन्द्राघ्रात् क्षमाप्लुतः उददे दक्षिणं भारं काङ्क्षमाणः समाहितः गच्छदश्च हिमे घोरं विघ्नरूपमिव भवदे काञ्चनं शिखरं दिव्यं पश्यामि सुमनोहरम् सितं पन्थानमावृत्य मेने विघ्नं शतं नगम् उपसङ्गम्य तं दिव्यं काञ्चनं नगमुत्तमं कृता मे मनसा बुद्धिः वेत्तव्योऽयं मयेति च प्रहतस्य मया तस्य लाङ्गूलेन महागिरेः शिखरं सूर्यसङ्काशं व्यशीर्य सहस्रदा व्यवसायं च तं बुद्ध्वा स होवाच महागिरिः पुत्रेदि मधुरावाणि मनःप्रह्लादयन्निव पितृव्यं चापि मां विद्धि सखायं मादरीश्वरः मैनाकमिति विख्यातं निवसन्तं महोदरौ पच्चमन्दपुरा पुत्र बभूवुः पर्वतोत्तमाः चन्दद पृथिवीं चेरुर्बाधमानाः समन्ददः श्रुत्वा नगानं चरितं महेन्द्र पाकशासनः वज्रेण भगवान् रक्षौ चिच्चिरेषां सहस्रशः अहं तु मोचितस्तस्मात् तव पित्रा महात्मना मारुदेन तदा वत्स प्रक्षिप्तो वरुणालये राघवस्य मया साह्ये वर्तितव्यमरिन्दम रामो धर्मवृदां श्रेष्ठो महेन्द्र स्वामिक्रमः एतच्छ्रुत्वा मया तस्य मैनाकस्य महात्मनः कार्यमावेद्य च गिरिरुद्धतं वै मनो मम तेन चाहमज्ञातो मैनाकेन महात्मना स चाप्यन्तर्हितः शैलो मानुषेण वपुष्मदा शरीरेण महाशैलः शैलेन च महोददौ उत्तमं जवमास्थाय शेषमध्वानमास्तिद तदोऽहं सुचिरं कालं जवेनाभ्यगमं परि ततः पश्यामहं देवीं सुरसां नागमातरम् समुद्रमध्ये सा देवी वचनं चेदमब्रवीत् मम वक्ष प्रतिष्ठस्त्वम् अमरैर्हरिसत्तम ततस्त्वां भक्षयिष्यामि विहितस्त्वं हिमे सुरैः एवमुक्तः प्राञ्जलिप्रणतस्थितः विवरणवदनो भूत्वा वाक्यं चेदमुदीरयम्. So Hanumanji came back and was united with his friends, and Jambavan and Angada, they are asking Hanumanji to narrate all the events that happened starting from the jump on the from the Samudram and flying to Lanka. So Hanumanji is narrating as he started flying. First Vignam was the Mainaka Parvatam. Then next one is the Simhika. So how did he tackle Simhika? That shloka we are seeing. Tada pashyamaham Surasa. Tada pashyamaham devim Surasa Nagamataram. Surasa is the next obstacle. Samudra madhye sa devi vachanam chedam abravide. Mama bhaksha pratisthastam amarai hari sattama. Tadastam bhakshayishyami. विहिदस्तं हिमे सुरैः एवमुक्तः सुरसया प्राञ्जलि प्रणतस्थितः विवरणवदनो वदनो भूत्वा वाक्यं चेदमुदीरयते. Surasa is the Nagamata. She sent by the Devas to test Hanumanji. As we progress in our seva, some vignams may come here and there. So Hanumanji, with courage and confidence and Nama power, he keeps tackling. So the Devas have sent Surasa Mata, Mama Bhakshya Pratishthastam Amarai Hari Sattama. So Adnala, I'm going to eat you today, Surasa Mata is telling. So Bhagavan, so what did Anjaneya do? He's telling, I'm going for Rama Karya, and he starts narrating Ramayana to her. Ramoda Sharadi Shriman, Pravishto Dandakavanam, Lakshmanena Sahabratra, Sitaya Chaparandavaha, Tasya Sita Hrida Bharya, Ravanena Duratmana, Tasya Sakasham Dutoham, Ramishri Rama Shasanati, Kartumarhasi Ramasya, Sahayam Vishaye Sadi, अथवा मैथिलीं दृष्ट्वा रामं च क्लिष्टकारिणं आगमिष्यामि ते वक्त्रं सत्यं प्रति शृणोमि ते एवमुक्ता मया सा तु सुरसा कामरूपिणी. Hanuman is telling Ramo, the Ashriti Sriman Pravishto Dandakavanam. Rama, the son of Dasharatha, has come to Dandakavana. He was joined by his wife Sita and also Lakshmana. There, Sita Mata was abducted by Ravana. Tasya Sakasham Dutoham Gamishe Rama Shasana. I am going there as the messenger of Sri Rama to have darshan of Sita Mata. Kartumarhasi Ramasya Sahayam. You also have to assist in Rama's seva. Vishaye Sati. Athava Illena. Otherwise, I will come and enter your mouth when I return. Athava Maithilim Drishtva Ramam Cha Aklishtakarani. After getting darshan of Sita, I will come back. I shall enter your mouth. Agamishyamite Vaktram. Satyam Prati Shrunomite. This way Hanuman said, Eva Mukta Maya Satu Surasa Kamarupini Abravi Nati Vateta Kastidesha Varumama. Then what did Surasa Mata say? Abravinati Vateta Kastidesha Varumama Eva Mukta Surasya Dasha Yojanamaitaha Tado Ardhagunavstaro Babuvaham Shaninatu Tat Pramanadikam Chaiva Vyaditam tu Mukham Taya Tad Drishtva Vyaditam Twasyam Krasvam Hyakaravam Punaha Asmin Muhurte Cha Punaha Babuva Angushta Samidaha Abhipatyashu Tadvaktam Nirgatoham Tadakshanadev Abravit Surasa Devi Svena Rupena Punaha Arthasiddhau Arishtreshta Gacha Saumya Yatha Sugam Samanai Cha Vaidehim Raghavena Mahatmana Sukhi Bhava Mahabaho Ritasmi Tava Madara Tadoham Sadhu Sadvidi Sarvabhuta Prashamsitaha. I have received boon from Devas. Nobody can escape me. So she's opened her mouth, Dashana Yojana Mahayataha, 10 yojanas wide, it's about 80 miles. That much wide she opens her mouth to swallow. Hanumanji increased his size, and then again she increased her size, and this goes on for some time. And then suddenly Hanumanji, Tasmid Muhurte Chas Punar Babuva Angushta Samhita. Then suddenly Hanumanji became small, like the size of a thumb, and entered her mouth and came out. Abhipatyashu Tadvaktam Nirgato Ham Tadakshanate. And then for a second he came out, and then he's telling Surasamata is looking, and she got her original Rupam. Abravi Surasa Devi Svena Rupe Namam Punaha. After then she is blessing Hanumanji. Artha Siddha Harishteshta Gacha Saumya Yatha Sukam. Hanumanji, go and proceed to your seva and reunite Sita Mata with Rama very fast. Samanaya Chavaidehim Raghavena Mahatmana. And then Sukivava Mahabaho Pritasmi Tavavanara. May all good come to you. I bless you. Like this, Hanumanji, she blessed, and then Hanumanji was praised by all the others. Tadoham sadhu, sadhuidi, sarva bhute prashamsita. All the bhutas, all of the other people who are watching, the Gandharvas are all gathered, all are watching. Rishis are all there, all are watching, saying, well done, good job, good job. Then, Tado antariksham vipulam prutoham garudo yada chaya me vigrihita cha na cha pashyami kinchana. So the important tattva in Surasa Mata story is when the Devas will send Vignam. So the Maya is first coming as small Maya. Then when we become bigger, try to become bigger than Maya, and we say, I can tackle, and we put our effort. Then the Maya becomes even bigger. Then again Hanumanji became even bigger. So he kept on wanting to tackle Maya himself. But that is not possible for us because Maya is invincible. And so suddenly Hanumanji became Chota. And then, so we have to become small, and in the terms of Maya, then we become big in terms of Guruvayurappan. So he just went, he entered and came out. This way the Devas also give Vignam. So we have three types of Tapam, Tapatraya Vinashanam. So Satchidananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyati Hedave Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Numaha. Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Numaha. We bow down to Shri Krishna to destroy our threefold miseries. Adi Daivigam, Adi Baudigam, Adhyatmikam, like this, right? So the Devas here, Adi Daivigame is coming and giving Vignam. So that is the Maya power we cannot tackle. So it's better to just say, surrender Krishna, you only protect me, you are above Maya, you save me. That is how we have to handle. So if we try to become bigger, then we cannot escape because Maya is invincible. So Hanumanji, by the buddhi he used because of the Ramanama, the correct thought comes for him. As we keep having Rama Rama in our mind and words, at the correct time, correct action, the memory will come for us. So Hanumanji became small and came out. Then now next one, तद् अन्तरिक्षविपुलं प्लुतोऽहं गरुडो यथा छायामे विगृहीता च न च पश्यामि किञ्चन सोऽहं विगतवेगस्तु दिशो दश विलोकय न किञ्चित् तत्र पश्यामि येन मे विहता गतिः अथ मे बुद्धिरुत्पन्ना किन्नाम गमने मम ईदृशो विघ्न उत्पन्नो रूपमत्र न दृश्यते अधोभागे तु मे दृष्टिः शोचतः पतिता तदा तत्रा द्राक्षमहं भीमां राक्षसीं सलिलेशयां प्रहस्य च महानादम् उक्तोऽहं भीमया तया अवस्थितमसम्भ्रान्तम् इदं वाक्यम् अशोभनम् क्वासि गन्ता महाकाय क्षुधितायाम् अमेप्सितः भक्ष प्रीणय मे देहं चिरम् आहारवर्जितम्. Space, antariksham, and he's flying like Garuda. Then somebody is pulling his chaya. Chaya me nigrihita cha nacha pashyami kinchana. Suddenly again the speed is arrested. Speed conveyed. He's not able to proceed. So somebody is grabbing him. But there is no form. Soham vigadave gastu disho dashavilokayan is looking this way, that way. Na kinchit tatra pashyami ename vihata gadi. Does not understand who is stopping his speed. Athame buddhirutpanna kinnama gamane mama idrisho vikna utpanno rupamatra na drishyade. Somebody is stopping me, but I am not able to see the rupam. Ato bhage tume drittihi shochata patita tada. Then I looked down and I saw a big rakshasi lying in the water. तत्र द्राक्षमहं भीमां राक्षसीं सलिलेशयां प्रहस्य च महानादम् उक्तोऽहं भीमयाता. And she is talking loudly. अवस्थितमसभ्रान्तम् इदं वाक्यम् अशोभनम्. Oh Hanuman, where are you going? क्वासि कन्ता महाकाय क्षुधितायाम् अमेप्सितः भक्ष प्रीणय मे देहं चिर आहारवर्जितम्. Many days I did not have food. Today I got my food. I am going to eat you. भाडमित्येव तां वाणीं प्रत्यगृह्णामहं तदः हास्य प्रमाणादधिकं तस्या कायम् अपूरयम्. तस्याश्चास्य महद्भीमं वर्धते मम भक्षणे न तु मां सानुबुबुदे मम वा विकृतं कृतं. तदोऽहं विपुलं रूपं संक्षिप्य निमिषान्तरात् तस्या हृदयमादाय प्रभृतामि नभस्ततं. सा विसृष्टभुजा भीमा पपात लवणम्भसि मया पर्वत संघाषा निकृत हृदया सती. शृणोमि खगतानां च वाच सौम्या महात्मना राक्षसी सिंहिका भीमा क्षिप्रं हनुमता हता. She came in and she is the Rakshasi. So இவளுக்கு ராமாயணம் சொல்லலை. Hanumanji narrated Ramayana to Surasa. She is the Nagamata. She is the Deva side. So ராம கதா சொல்றா. இப்ப இங்க இவளுக்கு ராமாயணம்னு சொன்னா it won't go in. So ஒரு அடிதான் இங்க நேராகும். Where we have to hit, where we have to say Rama and nicely convert slowly, it's all matter of our buddhi. That's why Hanumanji buddhir balam. The one who does not have any vishwasam to Guruvayurappan, avante pettu Guruvayurappa, nothing will sink in. In fact, he will pull us down. So keep on jate keep going. Don't bother. But the person like Deva Mata is telling, I am also giving you chance to do come to with me for the seva, right? So this also I learnt in my years. So then, India or Hanumanji gave just increased his form, Tadayamasa. He hit her and he kept going. Then the people are all praising again. तां हत्वा पुनरेवाहं कृतमात्यैकं स्मरन् गत्वा च महदध्वानं पश्यामि नगमण्डितम् दक्षिणं तीरमुददेहे लङ्का यत्र गदापुरी अस्तं दिनकरे याते रक्षसां निलयं पुरीं प्रविष्टोऽहमविज्ञातो रक्षोभिर्भीमविक्रमैः तत्र प्रविशतश्चापि कल्पान्तगनसप्रभा अट्टहासं विमुञ्चन्ति नारी काप्युत्थिता पुरः जिगांसन्तीं ततस्तां तु ज्वलदग्निशिरोरुहा स्वयमुष्टिप्रहारेण पराजित्य सुभैरवां प्रदोषकाले प्रविशं भीतयाहं तयोदितः. Then again Hanumanji said, she caused me so much delay in my work. Let me start again. Then he starts flying. Then he reached the southern shore of Lanka. And then he saw the beautiful city which is standing on top of a mountain there. So he said, I should enter as a, very carefully he has to enter. And then as he is about to enter, he saw a woman standing outside guard. Attahasam vimunchanti nari kapruttita purah. She's laughing and looking like a very inauspicious creature with a hue of a cloud. And so Hanumanji had to tackle her with his left fist Uradi. Jigam sadim tatastam tu jwaladagnishiroruham swayamushtipraharena parajitya subhairavam. He hit her and then he starts entering the city. Then she is blessing him. Pradoshakale pravisham bhitayaham tayoditaha. Sandhya samayam Hanumanji has entered. All this happened within a day only. The whole Sundarakanda, Hanumanji crossing the ocean, reaching Lanka in the evening, finishing the work and flying back. Just 24 hours, that's all. Pradoshakale pravisham bhitayaham tayoditaha. Aham Lankapuri Vidya Nirjita Vikramena te Yasmat Tasmat Vijitasi Sarva Raksham Sasheshataha Tatraham Sarvaratram tu Vicharan Janagatmaja Ravananda Puragato Nashapashyam Sumadhyamam तथा सीतामपश्यंस्तु रावणस्य निवेशने शोकसागरमासाध्य न पारमुपलक्षये शोचता च मया दृष्टं प्राकारेणाभिसमृद्धं काञ्चनेन विकृष्टेन गृहोपवनमुत्तमम् स प्राकारमवप्लुत्य पश्यामि बहुपादपम् अशोकवनिका मध्ये शिंशपापादपो महान्. Lankini, she is the one guarding Lanka. And he's stopping Hanumanji and telling, no one can enter the city without my permission. Hanumanji said, I'm just here to look around the city as a tourist. She hit him and stopped him. Hanumanji hit back and she fell. And then she remembered Brahmaji has given the boon and blessed her, saying, whenever a Vanara comes and hits you, that will be the end of your duty here. And also the destruction of all the Rakshasas will begin. Then, now she is remembering that she said, Hanumanji, you go inside and you be victorious over the Rakshasas. Then, Tatraham Sarva Ratram tu Hanumanji Yasma Tasma Vijetasi. So Hanumanji is looking this way, that way, trying to find Mother Sita. This is all chapter 10.6, 7. 7 is the Pushpaka Vimana Darshanam, 7 and 8. Beautiful Pushpaka Vimana Darshanam. 10.9 is entering Ravana's palace and seeing all the people there. 10.9 and seeing the Aishwaryam in Ravana's palace. Then 10.10 looking at all the Rakshasis. Then 10.11 looking more and more. Then 10.12 getting depressed. Na chapashyam sumadhyamam. The slender waisted Sita Mata is not to be seen yet. Tata Sita apashyamstu Ravanasya niveshane shoka sagara masadhya na param upalakshaye. Hanumanji himself went into depression. How to find what will happen to me? I will take prana sannyasa here itself, like that and all. He was planning. Then suddenly he saw this one. Beautiful grove, Shochata Chamaya Drashtam Prakarena Bisamridam Kanchanena Vikrishtena Gruhopavanam Uttamam. A beautiful garden he saw, right there, he just prayed to Rama once again. In that spot is the sloka, Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai cha tasyai Janagatmajayai Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo Namostu Chandrarkamarudganebhyah. He prayed to Rama, Sita Mata and all the devatas one more time, and then this time he is able to see a beautiful grove, Ashokavana. It has beautiful different types of trees, lovely flowers, lovely streams flowing everywhere, nice honey bees buzzing everywhere, divine fragrance is coming, mountain peaks here and there, like you will see a scenery in the picture, like that. It's also real. And Hanumanji saw the beautiful place. Then Tamarukya Chapashyami Kanchanam Kadalivanam Aduram Shimshapa Vrichat Pashyami Varavarnini Sita Mata Ki Jai Shyamam Kamalapatrakshi Upavasa Krishanana Tadegavasa Sambhida रजोध्वस्त शिरोरुहा शोक संदाबदीनांगीं सीतां भर्तृहिते स्थितां राक्षसीभिर्विरूपाभिः क्रूराभिरभिसंवृतां मांसशोणितभक्ष्याभिः व्याघ्रीभिर्हरिणीं यथा सा मया राक्षसी मध्ये तर्ज्यमाना मुहुर्मुहुः एकवेणीधरादीना भर्तृचिन्तापरायणा भूमिशय्या विवर्णाङ्गी पद्मिनीव हिमागमे रावणात् विनिवृत्तार्ता मर्तव्ये कृतनिश्चया कथञ्चिन्मृगशावाची तूर्णमासादिदा मया. We saw near there only a beautiful grove full of kadalivanam, banana trees. In our backyard also lot of banana leaves have come. So they just come, one plant only we put, and then adhe kutti pottu thirupi nariya vandirukku. Lot of banana leaves in our backyard. Like that, after that, near there he saw a Shimshupa vriksha. Aduram Shimshupa vriksha pashyami varavarnini. He saw the beautiful Sita Mata golden complexion, varavarnini. Shamam Kamalapatrachi Mupavasa Krishananam. Beautiful Sita Mata with lotus like eyes, but if you are looking very weak because of fasting, Upavasa Krishanana. Tadegavasa Samvidam Rajodvasta Shiroruham. She is all alone, and among the Rakshasis who are all eating flesh and blood, those type of Rakshasis are surrounding her. Shoga Sandhavati Nagim Sitam Bhartrihite Sthitam, always working for the hitam of Rama, always devoted to Sri Rama. राक्षसीभिः विरूपाभिः क्रूराभिरभि समृदा मांसशोणितभक्ष्याभिः व्याघ्रीभिर्हरिणीं यथा. She is like a doe in the middle, guarded by the tigresses. व्याघ्रीभिर्हरिणीं यथा सा मया राक्षसी मध्ये तर्ज्यमाना मुहुर्मुहुः. She is breathing heavily and feeling all separated from her group, and in tremendous sorrow. And ekaveni daradina Bhartrachinta Parayana. Bhumishaya Vivarnangi Patminiva Himagame. She is lying on the ground only. That is a penance. She is in tapas. And as the lotus will be withering in the winter season, like that, Padminiva Himagame. Ravanad Vinivrittata Martavye Krita Nishchaya Kadanchin Mrigashavachi Turnamasadida Maya. Because Ravana has abducted her, she is separated from her beloved Rama and feeling extremely anxious. And then at the time I found her. Like that, Hanumanji is telling, I saw this Sita Mata, Katanchin Mrigashavachi Turnam Asadita Maya. Then Hanumanji, we will do few things now. We will Tam Drishta Tadrashim Nadim Ramapatnim Yashasvinim Tatraiva Shimshapa Vrakshe Pashyan Aham Avastitaha Tadu Halahala Shabdam Kandino Puramishriram Shrunomi Adiga Gambhiram Ravanasya Niveshane. स्मरणम जय जय राम राम. सद्गुरु महाराज की जय, हनुमत भगवान की जय, आंजनेय स्वामी की जय. गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा प्रकृति स्वभावात् नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।
समर्पयामि।